Fatima. In here, I will share my experience when Miss Nadine class. First, I was very excited because Miss Nadine is from France. She is a Muslim and wears hijab. Yes, and the class and we in the class. Uh, we so happy because the learning was fun and we singing and we suppose I think enough for me. I hope I can be teacher like Miss Nadine, and I hope to meet Miss Nadine. Thank you.